Misplay progress usually comes back after a reinstall because your account is tied to your login, not the app installed on your phone. When progress disappears, it almost always means you're signed into a different account, or the app hasn't fully reinstalled yet. By the end of this, you'll know how to restore missing misplay progress, fix login mismatches, and force your account data to reload correctly after reinstalling. First thing to check is your login method. Misplay accounts can be tied to different sign-in options like Google or other login methods depending on your setup. If you reinstall and pick a different login option, the app will treat you like a brand new user. That's why everything looks reset. The fix is simple. Log out immediately and try every login method you originally used until your old profile appears. Second is account sync delay. After reinstalling, Mistplay sometimes takes a few minutes to pull your full profile data from the server. If you open the app too quickly, it can show a blank or reset dashboard. Close the app completely, reopen it, and stay on the home screen for a short time so it can fully sync your progress. Third is checking whether your device is blocking background data. If background data is restricted, Mistplay may not properly restore your profile after reinstall because it can't complete the sync process. Go into your phone settings, find Mistplay, and make sure mobile data and background data are allowed. Fourth is verifying you didn't accidentally create a second account. This happens a lot after reinstalling. If your points are gone but you still see activity history, you're likely in a fresh account. Switching login methods usually resolves it instantly. If none of that works, uninstall Mistplay again, restart your phone, and reinstall it fresh. Then log in using your original method before doing anything else inside the app. That forces a clean server pull and often restores missing progress. One important detail: uninstalling Mistplay does not delete your account data. Your points and history are stored on their servers, not on your device. So missing progress is almost always a login or sync issue, not permanent loss. To summarize, lost Mistplay progress after reinstall usually comes from logging into the wrong account, delayed syncing, or blocked data permissions. Fixing the login method and forcing a fresh sync usually restores everything. One practical step: log out of Mistplay right now. Then carefully try each login option you've used before reinstalling to recover your original account. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes that actually solve the issue instead of guessing.